Guys, welcome back. I tried all night long to hack this kid, and guess what? All night. Yesterday I tried, and I access to his account, try to hack him using Noob. So here's his account. Okay, let's check it out this. Okay, so let me log out my account. Log out. It's pretty. My account. You don't need that information. Okay, so we're gonna log into the secure things already. I like that. It's right here. It shows you login. Cause last time I tried, and yeah, look what happened. And he added me. I told him to add me. So he should be able to add him. Well, I forgot to add him. Oh no, I didn't forget. Okay, see, this is my account. You already know me. See, I'm right on my account. That should be my account. Oh no, it's not, cause on my computer. So, cause this kid only has 3 friends. He's playing Mood Speed Run 4. Okay. Well, this kid's right. Oh yeah, he played my game a little bit ago, as I told him. And what's it called? These are the most.
You want 1 rotate or 2 rotates?
Sorry about that. So now we gonna. Ronnie, what are you doing? So yeah. When I hacked him, he has 0 Robux, and nothing's catalog. All you have to do to hack someone is use this, and yeah, that's all you trying to use. Yeah, no, I'm just joking. It's called NPaste. So that's like how you can hack your friend's account, like what you talking about. Yeah, no, no. If they have like a email address, then they can't have an email on mine. Because I need to recover a page. Guys, this today. So next time when I get Robux, I'm gonna give him some. He's probably. Let's join his friend. So, we're about to join his friend. So, I already beat this game on my other account, my real account.
It's you that you changed the fucking thing on the same clip. Oh, wow. Okay. You need a girl?
No sleep. Redeem the. Okay. I can't do that. No, I'm gonna try. Okay, yeah, so you already know. I told my friend back because this game ain't usually. Oh, okay, wait, let's zoom all in. Because he got so mad because I told him who should chill join because that's my account. I'm trying to get this kid some badges. Oh, okay. Let me get that. Give me that star. Boom. Pretty sure we got it. Go. Oh no, no, no! Dang it. What does that kill you? Quick children. Mario! Okay, you collect 30 from here, I'm pretty sure. This should be easy. I don't know, I never tried this yet. Oh, okay. That's a game. Okay, bye. This game. I don't like the game. Did I hand it? These are like all the games I just earlier. I played that. I just have to. Okay, so now we're gonna look at. See all this. They're not showing me it. What am I trying? Gravity shift? Come on. Yeah. Do you feel popular? What's the popular? I already know what game's gonna come popular on Christmas again. You ready now? It's gonna be what's it called? Snow shoveling simulator. So after this video, I'm about to just, as soon as I upload this, I'm going to upload it. Oh, actually, I might do 2 at once. Okay, I'm going to do it all at once. So guys, I'm going to give away an account. Not this account. I'm going to give away an account. I'm gonna put it right out there. April. I'm putting something random, so I don't really care. Let's do 19. What does that say? Don't use your real name. Oh, I'll use my real name. Okay. I'm actually just joking. Okay. Proofs. Not X. No. Family Guy Kid, the password's gonna be gamer underscore XX. Look, guys, take a close look. Gamer underscore X. Wait. XX. And then, should it be a girl or a boy? I'm doing a boy. Guys, are you sure? You guys got this. Look at it. That's all of it. Right here. There's your free account. Made by me. Wait. Sorry. Oh. Guys, I didn't even notice that. Oh. I'm gonna make your avatar. Any of the things. Whoever gets this account and if someone tries to take your account, I will literally take that account away and delete it. So you guys better don't take his account. I'm about to make an account for my I'm gonna skin tone. We're gonna make it tan. Here, guys. Wait, actually, this one looks cooler, so we're gonna click this one. Yeah, boom. So actually, you could sell these items for like one little box, and really
Oh my god, dude.
get the money for your better. You should do that. That's better. So that's it for that video, so bye.